Hello my dear visitors and subscribers. Nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engine channel. Today we have a very special engine on the bench. This is Enya VT 240. So vertical V-twin engine. And I should say that this engine prepared a lot of surprises for me. I'm still not able to solve all problems which it generates, but anyhow I would like to share with you this video. Please give me some advices. Probably you know what is going on. So thank you for watching. See you soon. Thank you. I was proven the timing, and it was exactly the same as providing in Enya manual. I was checked their carbs, so totally dismantled it and clean and assembled again, and nothing happens. And what is most surprising me, that on the right cylinder from the top view of the engine is idling easily, especially if I take away the glow plug from the left cylinder and close the needle valve for the carb, so no fuel is entering in the left cylinder. So engine is working more or less perfect. When I make a crisscross change, so I make an ignition on the left cylinder, take away the glow plug from the right cylinder, close the carb here, open carb here, engine behavior changed very seriously. So it quits on the 3000 RPM. So if you remember, it quits, it doesn't matter together or in a single mode. So this is still an open question, and I can't understand what is going on. I should say that I manage a separate fueling. So there is a two different fuel pipes. So engine has enough fuel. Engine internally has no any flaws, and this is a very big question. What is going on with it? So hope you can give me some advices, because no one knows what is going on. So thank you for watching, and we'll continue to run it. So this is the second run with a bigger prop. It's 20x8. So once more. Hello my dear viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching this video. I'm waiting for your advices and your idea. What is going on with this engine? Why it's dropping the laps on either? Your advices are highly appreciated. So thank you for watching and see you soon on the crazy engine. Have a nice day. Bye.